Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on the search icon and in the search bar type regedit, then click here to open it. It will open registry editor window. Now expand HK local machine, then expand software folder. Now expand Microsoft folder. Scroll down and then expand Windows NT. Expand current version folder. Again scroll down. Then expand profile list, and from here on the right side right click on modify, select and change the value data as to 0, then click on OK. After that, close this window. Now go to search bar and type here Windows Update settings and click here to open it. Now we need to update our Windows, so check for updates. After that, download and install the latest version, the new update. Once done, close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.